I've been training to now, but what should I wear for my first triathlon? I get asked by many beginner triathletes, oh, what should I wear for the next race? Well, there are many opinions, but I will show you pros and cons of different styles. First, girls can wear swimming swimwear. The reason why I said swimming is that if they're not made for swimming, the straps fall off when you're swimming. So that's kind of obvious. And you can wear that for short distance races. But as the distance gets longer, you will need some sort of padding because you'll be riding on a bike quite a bit. And there are triathlon swimming suit which has got a light pad in between legs. That's going to protect you while you ride. For guys though, it's a little bit more difficult. Well, in the transition, the first transition, T1, you have to wear a top because you have to cover your tummy during the bike and also during the run. And that's going to take quite a bit of time to wear when your body is wet. Some people wear bike shorts and a wetsuit. Yes, that's okay for long distance because bike section is so long and bike shorts are designed to ride a bike. Yes, but you have to check before the race because when they're wet, some of them actually rub your skin and that's going to get ugly. Also for similar reason, when you're running with big pads, that can be quite painful. Especially when you're pouring some water all over your body and they get wet. I wouldn't do that. So I recommend you to change to running shorts. Now it's more of triathlon specific racewear. The first one is a two-piece suit. They used to be really popular among long distance triathlon. And even now, if someone's going to the toilet quite often, a good choice. When you are swimming without wetsuit, men just swim with shorts and without a top, and you put something on in a T1. For women, swimming with the shorts and swim top or something. Then again, put something on top. I have to be honest though, it takes a while to put something on when your body's wet. Yeah, you can see. The next one is a short course one piece. Under ITU regulation, it's got a fastener at the back. So you can swim really fast and also you can run really fast without having any problems with the pad between your legs. So for short course triathlon, that's a definite go. The last one is long distance one piece suit. They come with special sleeves which reduces the air resistance and that can make quite a bit of difference in the bike section. So if you're looking for personal best, I definitely recommend that for you for long distance triathlon. Some people don't like the tight arms when we are swimming, but if you're used to wetsuit swim, it's not a problem. Another good thing is though, the back is quite high, so it's good against sun. You don't get burnt so badly. Another problem is that when you're going to the toilet, it's a full suit, so it takes time to take everything off and do your job. Yeah. If someone tends to go to the toilet during a race, especially a long race, might be good to wear shorts from the two-piece option and put a really tight bike shorts on top. Preferably something to reduce air resistance. So for different distance, what options would be the best? For short distance, I would definitely recommend you to wear short distance one piece. That's the fastest, that's the best. Just wear it. For mid and long distance triathlon, if you're a beginner, maybe it's a good idea to wear two-piece short and fast, tight bike top. That would be the best option. For someone who's doing it fast and going for PB, I would recommend you to wear one piece with sleeves because they actually do make big difference. If you have funny stories about taking so long to put top on in the T1, please write in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now. See you next time.